So yesterday afternoon, I worked for about an hour in here trying to fix some problems. My chicks were roosting in the outhouse. So I kind of pulled this apart, put those roosts back in, left it open because I was trying to get everything to dry up. And of course it rained. So this morning I come in here and of course their feeder, all their food is drenched. And my nesting box has fallen over. Unfortunately, I was so busy last night I forgot to take the eggs out. So there's what's left. And then there's that one. It is broken, but there's no yolk. So I'm not sure what happened here. I think it just simply fell off between the wind and the rain and the chickens roosting on it the last couple of days. But so this is the mess that I get to clean up today. But first, I'm gonna go have coffee. All right, so I've had my 1 cup of coffee, but I could not enjoy the leisurely mornings that I usually have of at least an hour playing on my phone, because I've got hens out here that are already trying to lay eggs. So I have got to get out here and get this fixed. So good morning. My name's Kathleen Pate. And welcome to my Alabama farm life. Oh my God, my poor hens are already trying to get in there to lay. So let me get this done. All right, so that was easier than I thought it was going to be. I've got a hen in there already looking around, so that's a good sign. But those sawhorses that I had the nesting box on isn't going to work. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this little chicken coop that I have the little ones in that I was playing around with last night. It wasn't supposed to rain last night. Well, actually it rained this morning. So I had cleaned it out, removed the tray, and gave my little hens someplace to roost at night, because the last couple of nights they've been in the outhouse. I'm going to go ahead and clean out that a little bit better. It's pretty nasty in there. And put some hay in there and then give my hens a second option to lay eggs. So that's the little black hen that was in the box over here. Apparently she didn't like it, so she seems to like the coop better. So as you can see, I went ahead and put some chips in there, then some hay. Of course, she jumped in there before I could get it all finished. Oh. I know that I have to do something. I know what I have to do. It's like I know what I have to do with my chicken coop. It's just that it is such a huge chore, undertaking, and it's going to take me a while So I don't know what she's upset about. But okay, well, it's always interesting to see the interactions with my chickens. So I have no clue what's going on. Oh, he's gonna go check it out. Oh, let me get in there closer. Okay, there's 2 hens and a rooster in there. I'm not sure what they're doing. Then I have another hen that's back over here at the box, but it is on the ground and they never liked it on the ground. So again, I'm just trying to figure out ways that I can keep my hens happy, because as I was saying, what I need to do is really a huge endeavor, and I'm not quite ready to do that yet. I need to take this building back here and I have shown this building back here in previous videos, and I'll probably come back out here later on and do a tour again so that you can see exactly what I'm up against. But I need to clean out this little building and turn it into my chicken coop. I just have some problems. Like I said, it's a big task, and it's just right now it feels overwhelming. Like I said, I'll come back out here in a little while and show you what I'm talking about. I'm back out here and I'm just going to do a quick walk around. Of course, there's the door, and I'm going to walk around here to the side. As you can see, I have 2 rows of metal mesh and the tin. And I have it extended over the wood building, and I've got it as secure as possible. Now, my problem is this building is not secure. As you can see, the wood is rotting. It actually looks worse now than what it used to. But I have a ton of tin, and I'm thinking that I can just reinforce the bottom wood with pieces of tin. And then this is the back side. And I'm sure that once I move all those leaves, I'm going to be facing the same problem. The problem with the roof is that a tree fell on it and it has several holes in it. I have plenty of tin. It can be fixed. I just have to figure out how to do it all by myself. Oh, there goes a hen. And a rooster. Anyway, you can see the holes. My other issue is the door is right here and the tree. Well, I guess they're all going to get up there. Anyway. All right, ding dongs. What are we playing games? What? All right. Anyway, this is the door. I've got roots down here that are sticking out. And the last time I got in there, they had to dig everything out of there. So I'm not sure if this is a good place to keep a door. And just give you a little glance. It's full of junk. I'm going to go ahead and make a card for a video that shows a more detailed view of the inside of that old coop. Just ignore my dog eating chicken poop. Justice. I got to get out here. Looks like all their water containers are empty. I need to fill up their food dish. And go ahead and finish off this video. I'm going to go ahead and make this part 1. I know I need to redo the coop. And so this will be part 1 of the coop rebuild. Oh my goodness, everybody's so noisy today. Yeah, chickens fly a little bit. Bad chicken. But anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope to see you in part 2. You guys have a great day. Oh my God.